Today, we're going to create something new and completely different. First, take a look at this channel. As you can see, it has uploaded only 40 videos, yet the views are amazing. One video has 148K views, another has 55K views, and another has 244K views. Many of the videos on this channel have performed very well. The good news is that you can create similar videos too. You might be wondering whether this channel is monetized or not. Let's copy the channel link or channel name and check it. As you can see, this channel is monetized and its estimated monthly income is around $146 to $2.7K. Yes, you heard that right. You can also create videos like these. However, remember that we will make some changes and create our own unique version so that we avoid copyright issues and build something original. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Now, let's get started and learn how to create these viral videos for free. First of all, after opening ChatGPT, I'll give you a prompt. Simply copy and paste the purple section first. Once you paste it, after a few moments, ChatGPT will ask for your channel links. Open your YouTube channel and copy-paste the link. After pasting the links, you'll get a result like this. Next, open any video from the channel. For example, I'll open this video and click on Show Script. Once the script appears, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will analyze everything and understand all the details of the video. After that, copy and paste prompt 1, prompt 2, the green one, and finally the purple prompt. Once you paste them, ChatGPT will generate a 150-word story along with both image prompts and video prompts, all at the same time and in a very professional way. Now that the video prompts are ready, we'll create YouTube Shorts because Shorts have a high chance of going viral. For the next step, open Flow Labs. It's a great website for creating AI videos. It gives you 150 free credits when you start and then 50 free credits daily. You can even create additional accounts with different email addresses if needed. After opening Flow Labs, click on Flow, then New Project. Paste the generated prompt. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, either 9:16 for shorts or 16:9 for landscape videos. I'll select 9:16 and paste the prompt. Then I'll paste the second prompt as well. After a short time, your video will be generated. The result may not be exactly the same as the original, but it will be slightly different, which helps avoid copyright issues. As you can see, the video is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can watch more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.